Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Food Tech Online. Today we are discuss the most important issues on topic food microbiology and general principle of food hygiene. It is a set number 4, set 1 to 3. Link in description. So let's start. Which of the following is false for the thermal resistance of the bacteria cell? A. Cocci are the usually more resistant than rods. B. Cells low in lipid content are harder to kill than other cells. C. Bacteria that clump considered for the capsule for difficult to kill. D. Higher the optimum and maximum temperature for growth, higher the resistance. The answer is B. Cell low in lipid content are harder to kill than the other cell. The most spoilage bacteria grow at A. Acid pH, B. Neutral pH, C. Alkaline pH, D. All of the above. The answer is B. Neutral pH. The microbiological examination of coliform bacteria in food repeatedly use A. Mac corn broth, B. Yellow red bile agar, C. Cosin methylene blue agar, D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following acid will have a higher bacteriostatic effect at a given pH? A. Malic acid, B. Citric acid, C. Acetic acid, D. Citric acid. The answer is C. Acetic acid. The different ACC between food category reflect the dash. A. Potential shelf life, B. Potential for the microbial growth during storage, C. Expected level of contamination of low raw material, D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. And examination of the presence of or absence of organism refer to dash. A. Incubation of food suspension in an enrichment medium, B. Incubation of food suspension in a enrichment medium followed by the incubation into an suitable selective medium, C. Incubation of food suspension in enrichment medium followed by the incubation into non-selective medium, D. All of the above. The answer is B. Incubation of food suspension in enrichment medium followed by the incubation into the suitable selective medium. What are the interesting factors for microbial growth? A. pH, B. Moisture, C. Oxidation reduction potential, D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. Plate count of bacteria in food generally use the planting medium consists of A. Peptone, glucose, sodium chloride, agar and distilled water. B. Yeast extract, glucose, sodium chloride, agar and distilled water. C. Peptone, yeast extract, glucose, sodium chloride and distilled water. D. Peptone, yeast extract, glucose, sodium chloride, agar and distilled water. The answer is C. Peptone, yeast agar, glucose, sodium chloride and distilled water. Enumeration of microorganisms refer to dash. A. Non-selective plating depending on the taste. B. Either spiral planting, spore, spore plate and spread plate of a food suspension onto the suitable selective agar. C. Either A or B. D. None of the above. The answer is C. Either A or B. Yeast and mold count determination required dash. A. Newton agar, B. McConkie agar, C. Violet red bile agar, D. Acidified potato glucose agar. The answer is acidified potato glucose agar. Aerobic colony count is also referred as A. Total viable count, B. Aerobic plate count, C. Standard plate count, D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. The time temperature combination for STST pasteurization of 71.1 Celsius for 15 seconds is selective on the basis of dash A. Colony, B. Coxilla burnetii, C. C-butylenum, D. B. Subtiles. The answer is B. Coxilla burnetii. Suspected colony of Staphylococcus aureus when grow on bright and Parker medium shall uh, show dash A. Protective activity, B. Catalyst activity, C. Coagulous activity, D. None of the above. The answer is C. Coagulous activity. Water activity can act as A. An intrinsic factor, B. A processing factor, C. An intensive factor determine the likelihood of microbial proliferation, D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. NaCl can act as A. Transporting nutrients, B. Antagonist at optimum concentration, C. Synergist if at in excess of a optimum level, D. Both A and B. The answer is D. Both A and B. The state cutting board material include all of the following except A. Sterilization, B. Pasteurization, C. Irradiation, D. None of the above. The answer is B. Pasteurization. Traveler diarrhea is caused due to toxin produced by A. Clostridium, B. Bacillus, C. Escherichia, D. Yersinia. The answer is C. Escherichia. Symptoms of Staphylococcus aureus poisoning occur within dash hours of the food ingestion. A. 2 to 6, B. 1 to 2, C. 5 to 72, D. 12 to 36. The answer is A. 2 to 6. Mostly odor or taste in root beer is caused by A. Clostridium, B. Acromobacter, C. Bacillus, D. Aspergillus. The answer is B. Acromobacter. Growth of Clostridium botulinum is seen in A. Elimination cheese, B. Fresh mushroom, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The answer is C. Both A and B. Mold found growing in jellies and candies fruits can be grown in food concentration, sugar concentration up to A. 67.5%, B. 60%, C. 67%, D. 65%. The answer is A. 67.5%. The pigment pyoverdine in meat is produced by A. Serratia, B. Pseudomonas, C. Bacillus, D. Vibrio. The answer is B. Pseudomonas. Hair odors in fish is caused by A. Sporoticum, B. Actinobacter coli, C. P. fluorescens, D. Cladosporium. The answer is Enterobacter coli. Dash are the osmotropic. They obtain their nutrients by absorption. Odor in fish is caused by A. Yeast, B. Fungi, C. Mold, D. Algae. The answer is B. Fungi. Dash are the primary produce, which are the source of different nutrients, and they are the usually of aquatic habits. A. Yeast, B. Fungi, C. Mold, D. Algae. The answer is D. Algae. For more video, link in description. For daily updates and study material, our Telegram, Instagram and LinkedIn page. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends. Thank you.